We all experience moments when motivation seems to vanish, and we feel completely stuck. Whether it's at work, in our personal lives, or while pursuing a goal, these periods can be frustrating and even discouraging. But feeling stuck is actually a common part of any journey toward growth or achievement. The important thing is to recognize that you're not alone in this, and that there are practical steps you can take to reignite your motivation. In this video, we'll explore actionable strategies to help you move forward even when progress feels impossible. Let's start by understanding why we get stuck in the first place. Motivation can fade for many reasons. Sometimes it's due to burnout from overworking ourselves. Other times, it's because we're overwhelmed by the size of our goals or the obstacles in our way. External factors like stress, lack of support, or even changes in our environment can also play a role. Understanding the root cause of your lack of motivation is the first step to overcoming it. By identifying what's holding you back, you can start to address those issues directly and begin to rebuild your drive. It's important to acknowledge your feelings rather than ignore them. When you feel stuck, take a moment to sit with your emotions and accept them without judgment. This self-awareness can actually be empowering. By recognizing how you feel, you give yourself permission to process those emotions and move forward. Remember, it's okay to feel unmotivated at times. What matters is how you respond to those feelings and what steps you take next. One effective way to regain motivation is to set small, achievable goals. When you're feeling stuck, big tasks can seem overwhelming and impossible to tackle. Breaking them down into smaller steps makes them more manageable and gives you a sense of accomplishment with each milestone you reach. These small wins can build momentum and gradually restore your confidence and motivation. Don't wait until you've reached your final goal to celebrate. Take time to acknowledge and appreciate the progress you've made along the way. No matter how small, celebrating these moments can boost your morale and remind you that you are moving forward, even if it's at a slower pace than you'd like. This positive reinforcement can help keep your motivation alive. Visualization is a powerful tool for motivation. Take a few minutes each day to imagine yourself achieving your goals. Picture the steps you'll take and the feelings you'll experience when you succeed. This mental rehearsal can make your goals feel more attainable and inspire you to keep moving forward even when you're feeling stuck. Sometimes, a change of scenery can do wonders for your motivation. If you're feeling stuck, try working in a different location, rearranging your workspace, or even just taking a walk outside. A fresh environment can stimulate new ideas and help you see your challenges from a different perspective. Don't underestimate the power of your surroundings in influencing your mindset. Reaching out to friends, family, or colleagues can provide the support and encouragement you need to get unstuck. Sharing your feelings with someone you trust can help you gain new insights and remind you that you're not alone. Sometimes, just talking things through can spark new motivation and help you see solutions you hadn't considered before. Be kind to yourself during tough times. Practicing self-compassion means treating yourself with the same understanding and patience you would offer a friend. Remember, everyone faces setbacks and periods of low motivation. By being gentle with yourself, you can reduce negative self-talk and create a more positive mindset that supports your progress. When motivation fades, it's helpful to remind yourself why you started in the first place. Reflect on your core reasons and the values that drive you. Reconnecting with your purpose can reignite your passion and help you push through difficult moments. Write down your why and keep it somewhere visible as a daily reminder. Distractions can sap your motivation and make it harder to focus on what matters. Identify the things that pull your attention away from your goals, whether it's social media, clutter, or constant interruptions. Take steps to minimize these distractions, such as setting boundaries, turning off notifications, or creating a dedicated workspace. This will help you stay on track and make steady progress. Establishing a daily routine can provide structure and make it easier to stay motivated. Routines help reduce decision fatigue and create a sense of stability, which is especially helpful during uncertain times. Try to set aside specific times for work, rest, and self-care. Over time, these habits can help you regain your momentum and make progress feel more automatic. Mindfulness can help you stay present and focused, even when you're feeling stuck. Simple practices like deep breathing, meditation, or mindful walking can reduce stress and clear your mind. By being present in the moment, you can better manage negative thoughts and create space for new ideas and motivation to emerge. Perfectionism can be a major roadblock to motivation. If you're waiting for the perfect moment or outcome, you might never get started. Allow yourself to make mistakes and learn from them. Progress is more important than perfection, and every step forward counts, no matter how small. Keeping track of your progress can help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Use a journal, app, or calendar to record your achievements and setbacks. Reviewing your progress regularly can boost your confidence and remind you that you're making strides, even if they're small. Incorporate rewards into your routine to reinforce positive behavior. When you complete a task or reach a milestone, treat yourself to something you enjoy. Rewards don't have to be big. They can be as simple as a favorite snack, a walk outside, or a few minutes of relaxation. These small incentives can make the process more enjoyable and keep you motivated. Physical activity can have a big impact on your motivation and mood. Even a short walk, some stretching, or a quick workout can boost your energy and help clear your mind. Regular movement releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Negative self-talk can drain your motivation and make you feel even more stuck. Pay attention to your inner dialogue and challenge any unhelpful thoughts. Replace criticism with encouragement and remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. A positive mindset can help you overcome obstacles and keep moving forward. Sometimes, all it takes to get motivated again is a little inspiration. Read a book, listen to a podcast, watch a motivational video, or talk to someone who inspires you. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can help spark new ideas and reignite your passion for your goals. If you've been trying the same strategy without results, it might be time to try something new. Experiment with different methods, tools, or routines to see what works best for you. Sometimes, a fresh approach is all you need to break through a plateau and find your motivation again. Setbacks are a natural part of any journey. Instead of seeing them as failures, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Accepting setbacks with a growth mindset can help you stay resilient and motivated, even when things don't go as planned. When you feel stuck, it's easy to get caught up in things you can't change. Instead, focus your energy on what you can control. This might mean adjusting your goals, changing your environment, or simply taking one small step forward. By concentrating on your sphere of influence, you can regain a sense of agency and motivation. Gratitude can shift your perspective and help you find motivation even in tough times. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. This simple practice can boost your mood, increase resilience, and remind you of the positive aspects of your journey. Comparing yourself to others can undermine your motivation and make you feel inadequate. Remember that everyone's journey is unique, and progress looks different for each person. Focus on your own path and celebrate your individual achievements, no matter how small. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Whether it's seeking advice, guidance, or just a listening ear, reaching out can provide valuable support. Remember, everyone needs help sometimes, and there's strength in knowing when to seek it. Looking back on your past achievements can remind you of your capabilities and boost your confidence. Reflect on the challenges you've overcome and the progress you've made. This can help you see that you're capable of moving forward even when things feel tough. Stepping out of your comfort zone can help you break free from feeling stuck. Try a new activity, learn a new skill, or explore a different hobby. New experiences can spark creativity and motivation, giving you a fresh perspective on your goals. Setting boundaries is essential for protecting your time and energy. Learn to say no to commitments that drain you or distract you from your goals. By prioritizing what matters most, you can create space for motivation and progress. Try to view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. Reframing your mindset can help you approach problems with curiosity and resilience. Each challenge you overcome strengthens your motivation and builds your confidence for the future. Positive affirmations can help shift your mindset and boost your motivation. Write down a few encouraging statements and repeat them to yourself each day. Over time, these affirmations can help you build confidence and stay focused on your goals. Multitasking can make you feel scattered and less productive. Try focusing on one task at a time to improve your concentration and motivation. Single tasking allows you to give your best effort to each activity and experience a greater sense of accomplishment. A cluttered environment can contribute to a cluttered mind. Take some time to tidy up your workspace or living area. A clean and organized space can help you feel more focused, motivated, and ready to tackle your goals. Fatigue can drain your motivation and make it harder to stay on track. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and taking breaks when needed. Rest is essential for maintaining your energy, focus, and overall well-being. Music can have a powerful effect on your mood and motivation. Create a playlist of songs that energize and inspire you. Listening to music while working or during breaks can help lift your spirits and keep you moving forward. Progress takes time, and it's important to be patient with yourself. Motivation can ebb and flow, but consistent effort will eventually pay off. Trust the process and remember that every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Too much information can be overwhelming and make it harder to stay motivated. Limit your exposure to news, social media, or other sources that contribute to stress. Focus on what's most important and give yourself permission to unplug when needed. Visual reminders can help keep your goals top of mind. Post notes, quotes, or images in your workspace that inspire you. These cues can serve as daily motivation and help you stay focused on what matters most. Worrying about the future or dwelling on the past can make you feel stuck. Bring your attention back to the present moment and focus on what you can do right now. Taking action, no matter how small, can help you regain momentum and motivation. Perfectionism can paralyze your progress and drain your motivation. Allow yourself to make mistakes and embrace imperfection. Remember, done is better than perfect, and taking action is what truly matters. Connecting your daily tasks to a larger purpose can make them feel more meaningful and motivating. Ask yourself how each activity contributes to your overall goals or values. Finding meaning in what you do can help you stay engaged and motivated, even during challenging times. Flexibility is key when you're feeling stuck. Be willing to adjust your plans and try new approaches as needed. Staying adaptable can help you navigate obstacles and maintain your motivation, even when things don't go as expected. Regular breaks are essential for maintaining motivation and preventing burnout. Step away from your work, stretch, or do something enjoyable for a few minutes. Breaks can help you recharge and return to your tasks with renewed energy and focus. Pay attention to the way you speak to yourself. Positive self-talk can boost your motivation, while negative self-talk can hold you back. Practice encouraging yourself and focusing on your strengths to stay motivated. Take time to reflect on how far you've come. Even if you're not where you want to be yet, every step forward is an achievement. Reminding yourself of your progress can help you stay motivated and keep moving toward your goals. Staying motivated when you feel stuck isn't always easy, but it is possible. By using these strategies, you can overcome obstacles, reignite your passion, and continue making progress toward your goals. Remember, motivation comes and goes, but persistence and self-compassion will carry you through. Keep moving forward one step at a time.